How to download Homicipher on your Windows PC, that too absolutely free. So here we are, this is the game. So let me show you how you can get it. So first you need to open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome in this video. And once you open browser, search for Steam. There you go, this is just Steam. You need to visit the first result. Just go here. Now you will be redirected to Steam website, but what we are interested is this button. Just tap this button and install Steam. Now this will download the Steam setup in your computer. So let's do it. So this will download Steam setup. This is the setup. Just double click the setup and there we go. Now all we have to do is install Steam in our device. So for that, just press next, and here you have to choose your language. Then next, and from here just choose the destination. So by default it will be C drive. You can change it from here. Then install. So once you have done installing Steam, this is what Steam looks like. Then you will have to create a Steam account. It's pretty simple. It's like creating a Facebook or Instagram account, or you can say creating a Gmail account. So first, when you open Steam for the first time, they will ask you to create an account. Just create an account and you will be able to log in. Now once you log into Steam, this is what Steam looks like. Here you can see it says store, library, community. So what we are interested in this video is store. So we have to go to the store. All right, so from the store there will be a search. From here we have to search for, so as you can see, this is the game, but if you go down there will be a free button. As you can see, it says free. All right, so what we are interested is the free version of the game. So now when you come here, just go down. Now there will be two options. It says add to library, play game. So let's add to our library first. So tap here. It says OK. So it says is added to your Steam library. So when you go to our library, now let's search the game. It will be somewhere here. There you go, that's the game. So now what we have to do is just press the install button. Then after some time this game will be installed. Make sure this is not the full game, it's the trial version, but you will be able to play the game pretty much. Then after you find the game interesting, then you can buy the full version. Hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.